How to install Google Classroom in laptop. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So you cannot directly download Google Classroom from your Microsoft Store, but I'll show you a workaround. For that, open up your Google Chrome browser and on the search bar, search for Google Classroom. Now go ahead and hit enter, and then you will need to log into your Google Classroom by opening up the link. So after you have logged in into the Google Classroom, you'll be able to find three dots on the top right. Tap on it, and then on the bottom you will find cast, save, and share option. Just tap on it and tap on install Google Classroom, and then once you tap on it, you'll find the install option, and that's it. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.